It's 5:30 in the morning, and today I want to share how I plan my morning routine, my non-negotiable healthy habits, how I track my skincare, and my workout plan in Notion. These personal plans and habits keep me organized, productive, and focused on self-improvement. I hope they inspire you to improve yourself and create your own productive routines to achieve your goals. The first thing I do after waking up is brush my teeth, wash my face, drink a glass of water, and change directly into my workout clothes. After making my bed, I sit down to plan my day in Notion. I time block my schedule to avoid procrastination. I also take a moment to track my sleep before I forget what time I went to bed last night. Then I check off my first habit of waking up early and making my bed. I begin my workout routine with a 30-minute session at home. While cooling down and taking a short break, I check and reply to important emails, customer chats, comments from the previous night. I want to reply them as soon as possible before heading to the gym, which usually takes about an hour. After my gym session, I like to sit outside in the sun and read folk or glamour articles in German. I'm learning German on my own, and reading lifestyle magazine articles helps me improve because it's a topic I enjoy. I usually wait at least 30 minutes after my workout before eating. During this time, I go straight into work because I usually think about work at the gym. So, funny story, I used to listen to music with my AirPods at the gym until I experienced a terrible earache. I'm not sure if it was due to listening to loud music on AirPods, but since then, I've stopped listening to music while working out to save my ears. Now my gym time is just me and my thoughts, which I find very productive actually, as I can think about creative ideas or content I'm working on. 8:30 a.m. I have breakfast, take a shower, and get ready for the day. Now let's talk about my workout plan and routine in Notion. I plan my weekly workouts including the type of workout, the activities, and the intensity. I used to follow various YouTube workouts each week, but now I found routines that work well for me and that I enjoy. I follow Chloe Ting's YouTube videos for abs and glutes because her instructions are clear and she combines intense workouts with low impact exercises, which is great for beginners. She also includes short breaks, which I find very helpful. I usually work out Monday through Friday, but I'm thinking of trying a new schedule, Sunday through Thursday, with Friday and Saturday as rest days. I also track my workout routine in Notion. Tracking my workout helps me stay consistent and motivated. Seeing my progress and checking off each workout gives me a sense of accomplishment and keeps me on track. Healthy habits I'm currently working on right now are planning my week. It helps me stay organized and I can allocate time for all my important tasks and goals throughout the week. Habit 2 is eating vegetables and fruit daily. I'm still improving on this habit. I try to eat vegetables and fruits every day, but sometimes I crave junk food. Sometimes there's a little bit of greenery in junk food, so that counts, right? Habit 3, sunscreen. After the gym, I like to get some sun, but I often forget to apply sunscreen. If you have read Atomic Habits by James Clear, you're familiar with habit stacking. Habit stacking is when you pair a new habit with an existing one to make it easier to stick to. So I've started applying sunscreen right after changing into my workout clothes. This helps me stick to the habit because it's linked to something I already do. Habit 4 is drinking enough water. I recently got a glass jug set. Easier to track my water intake than counting glasses because I always lose track of how many glasses of water I drank. Hydration is very non-negotiable habit. If you don't drink enough water, this is your sign to start building this habit. So make it a priority. Next, let's plan and organize my skincare routine in Notion. I've simplified my routine to include only the essentials. I start by creating a skincare profile to understand my skin's needs. Now it's the dry season, which means my skin tends to get even drier, especially on my cheeks, while the T-zone remains oily. My skin concerns are dullness. I also deal with hyperpigmentation. My goal is to achieve healthy, radiant skin with natural glow. Here's my current skincare routine organized in Notion. For my morning routine, I have water-based cleanser, essence, moisturizer, and sunscreen. I want to add a toner, but I haven't found an affordable one that works for me yet. And then for evening routine, I have oil-based cleanser. Double cleansing is recommended as it smooths the skin and removes impurities, sunscreen, and any makeup. I don't wear makeup daily, but oil-based cleansers are excellent for removing sunscreen and other impurities that can clog pores. And then I have water-based cleanser, essence, and moisturizer. I also use a clay mask once a week to fight dullness by removing dead skin cells, and acid mask for extra hydration. Tracking your skincare routine and products in Notion helps you identify what works best for your skin and make adjustments as needed. Especially if you have specific skin concerns such as dryness or acne, you can track how your skin responds to different products and ingredients, helping you decide which products to keep, which place, and when to introduce new items into your routine. It also reminds you to stay consistent with your skincare habits and follow your routine daily for the best results. This month, I set a goal to get 500 YouTube subscribers and I will add 604 subscribers. For some, this might seem like a small win, but it's significant progress for me. My next goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, just 4 months away. Here's how I plan to achieve this. First, engage with other accounts in my niche, improve SEO and use relevant keywords in titles, description, and tags, plan a content calendar with regular uploads, post consistent every week, and improve my video editing skills. Setting goals is essential because it gives you clear direction and purpose. When you set SMART goals, you create a roadmap for what you want to achieve and how you get there, keeping you focused, motivated, and organized. Reaching even small goals builds confidence and inspire you to aim higher. It's important to celebrate this milestone and reflect on what strategies worked and what could be improved. What are your goals this month? Do you have a morning routine? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Share your version of a productive morning routine or any things you have.